checking in. Aloha. And that's my T-Bird Roger on Arkansas, man. You're looking real good. Hello, T-Bird. Dangerous T-Bird pineapple juice. Dangerous T-Bird juice in the mini grass. Come on down to the luau. And that's my T-Bird Roger. You all by yourself, big brother. You walking with that ball all by yourself. Mr. Dangerous T-Bird Pineapple Juice. Dangerous T-Bird Arkansas Pineapple Juice said Happy Mother's Day to the Queen and your mama. Catch you later, Dangerous T-Bird Pineapple Juice rocking this mall, and I'm gone. And that's my T-Bird Roger. Hey, T-Bird, when you go out have on a round table, don't forget to grab some pineapple juice and a little bit of dark rum, mix it up and have a Mai Tai for pineapple juice. Catch you later, Dangerous T-Bird Pineapple Juice. They call me Sweet Juice in the mini grass. Dangerous Sweet Juice is still rocking your mail.